New user get 10% off hotels.
Hello guys, welcome back to my
What?
Hi everyone, it's been 5 years since I stopped vlogging. Not because I gave up, but because life started moving forward in the best ways. I got busier, finished my degree in secondary education, passed the board exams, and slowly I've been building the future I once only dreamed of. And now, I want you to be part of the journey. So much has happened in those 5 years. Moments of growth, challenges, quiet victories, and lessons I'll carry forever. I'm deeply grateful for it all. Today, I'm opening this chapter again. I decided to return to this space, not because everything is perfect, but because I realize how much I've missed sharing these little pieces of life with you. Even if time is short and life gets hectic, I promise to find moments to connect through this channel. Life is too short to live inside the limits we place on ourselves. So, here I am, stepping out of my comfort zone again. Maybe not everyone will watch, and maybe that's okay. I'm doing this because it brings me joy. Because it reminds me of who I am. And because somewhere inside me, there's still the inner child who lights up when creating and sharing stories. Thank you for being here. Whether you've been with me since the beginning or you're just finding this now, your presence means more than you know. I hope you stick around for what's next.
Pasimpleng nga na ng ihipo, kala mo di ko kita. I'ma hold your body, lay obsessed until your face says it all. Just tell me lang what you want, wag maglumpas sa'yo dyan sa floor. Sabay himlay, bago na pag...
Say hi. Later. It's raining cats and dogs. Oops. Woo. Sorry. Come. Ang gulo. It's not ready. Here. Going outside, I will show you guys. So this is the gate, and yeah, that's not me. Please close the door. Bakit door? Kasi hindi nila alam yung gate. Charot. Private property only for residents, pero kung sino-sino pa rin yung pumapasok. It's okay, mabait naman kami. Ay, sala. Backyard. It's only 4 houses here actually. Yeah. Yung orange ours, and then green, purple, and blue. So,
Yeah. That's our car, and this is the house. Now I will show you around as well. Oh, Kalachuchi. It's rainy season na kasi. Yeah, that's beach. Yeah, it's a beach. I will recline inside. Charan! Give me a second, I will do my hair. So guys, this is the fit. Okay. It's rainy season na talaga. So, hindi ako magkasakit. Kasi, konting ambon lang. Ilalagnat agad ako. Sa HL lang po. Kaya po kaya ang date. So, HL. Coffee mate area. Thank you, ate. Mother don't know, but I want to go in. I will go in. Okay, yan. I will look for a clothes tomorrow. We have errands. 35. Okay. Found something. Siya ngayon. Let's see what's inside. Mima! Hello! Hi! Kumusta? Oo. Alam ko magkano ng ukay mo. Sayang naman. Tawagan na nun. Yeah. Yeah. Ang sabi, bumili lang ng grocery. Then, I went to Ukayan. Galing. That's me, by the way. Tagalan ako. Kasi nag-ukay ako. Hey. Ang dami.
Paluko naman niya.
Nagbara yung sink.
Bakit siya nagbara?
Wow, sarap. Mother, bigyan mo ako salary. Because tomorrow, I will leave the house.
Bakit na mag-uukay ka?
Because mother, mura lang kasi papalagpasin ko pa ba yun? Are you even listening?
Nak, wala akong time makinig sa iyo. Alas 4 lang pala.
Sige na ako na dyan. Iwanan mo na yan. Heartburn. Ma, ayun kung ma-stuck dito. Wala akong growth dito.
Sandali, pintahan mo nga ako nung nangyari doon sa... ibig sabihin, bago pala magpasukan. Naintindi mo yung paglakad-lakad na yan?
Aba, syempre. Diyan ang goal eh.
Hindi mo nga maintindihan. Kasi hindi naman papayag ang kumpanya na lagi kang absent. Ano ba?
Oh, what's going on? Here's the gunting, mother. Decorated the table. Ma, kulang ang chair. Ayoko, ma. Kumain man din ako ng hipon. This is my favorite spot. Dito ako nag-yoga. Yeah. Oh, dami na sakit na likod ko. Oh, look. Cute. Cute, 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 cute. Yeah. Okay, tama na. I'm going to wash. Yan, this is my labahin. Labahanin. Okay guys, mag-wash muna ako. I'll be back later. 3, 2, 1. Bye. Tapos na ako maglaba. Kita nyo ba yan? Ang dami kong nilabhan today. Andito na din yung mga visitor ni mother. And as you can hear, wrap. Hello po! Thank you so much po! So may dumating na mga asungot. And hindi pa sila nagsabi. Basta na lang sila sumipot. Ay,
Sakto kung may pagkain. Sakto mo pala punta namin.
Mama, ito si Jam, yung bago ko friend. Look! No! We are the same.
Moonlight, just a touch in the fire burning so bright. Just a shot in the dark that you're just mine. You're the one I've been waiting for my whole life. So baby, I'm alright. Oh.
Hi guys! So, here we are. Bibili kami ng yellow. Diyan lang kayo sa gilid ah.
Sa apple po kayo?
Apple.
Ma'am, may salmig apple po kayo?
Abo tayo dulangan ngayon. Dito. Saan daw? Dito.
Good po. Tayo may salmig apple po kayo? Ano? Yung motor, yung susi. Good po.
That's all for today and thank you for watching my vlog. I hope you enjoy. Yeah, this is my first vlog ever. So, marami pa susunod. Bye-bye!